Hello kids, today we are going to learn about a very interesting topic, that is food chain. But to understand what is food chain, have you ever wondered why we eat? All living beings on earth like humans or animals or plants eat. We don't only eat because we are hungry, but we need food to live and have energy. The power needed to do work and move, and the same is applicable for animals, plants around us. But do you know where this energy comes from and how does it get passed over to another beings? Energy passes from one organism to another, and this flow of energy from one living thing to another living thing is called food chain. We humans get our food from plants and animals, and plants make their own food by photosynthesis. Now let's understand food chain process better by doing a very fun activity, and for this you will require white sheet, sketch pens, colors, some plants or leaves from your balcony or garden, some dirt, and you will require scissors and glue. Now let's start making the food cycle. For this you will require 2 white sheets. Keep them together like this. Now take a plate, keep it in the center, take a pencil or a pen, make a circle around it and cut both the circles. See, here are my 2 circles. So now what will I do is, on both the circles I'll make lines. So how will I make lines? I'll take a scale. First I'll fold the circle into half and very roughly then I'll just make a line in the center and then a line in between like this, and the same lines I'll make on the other side as well. So the first process is the plant. So what I'll do is I'll take my Fevistick, put it on the paper like this, and what I'll do is I'll paste my leaf. Okay, so this will look at plants. So this is the first chain of the food cycle, wherein the deer first eats the plant as its food. So see, I'm just sticking leaves on this and I'm putting here. So you can put as many leaves as you can like. I'm putting 3 or 4 over here. Now below it I will write with another sketch pen plants. Okay, now let's make the second stage. The second stage is, now you will see a deer comes and eats the plant. Species that eat only plants are called herbivores. Now to make a deer, what you have to do is, you again have to take a white sheet. So I'll take the left out cutout of my white sheet and I'll just cut it in a rectangle like this. Okay, now what I'll do is angle out of it. Like this, and now see, now what I'll do is I'll just fold it like this. I'll just fold it the above part of the triangle like this, paste it with a Fevistick, and our deer is ready. Now let's decorate our deer. First I'll put Fevicol on the back side of the deer. Then I'll take the deer and put it over here in the next. Now I'll take a brown color to color the deer. So I'll just quickly take brown color. Now this represents the second stage and I'll write deer. Let's make the third stage. In the third stage, you will see now a lion has jumped in and attacked the deer. Species that eat other animals are called carnivores. Take the leftover cutout, and this time you have to make a circle out of it. So what I'll do is, in a circle cutout, what I'll do is I'll fold it into half and then another half like this. So it will look something like this. First, what I'll do is I'll take a big cut from the, just like this, and now I'm left with this. What I'll do is I'll simply put half cuts, not full cuts but half. What I'll do is I'll take my fairy stick, apply it on the back of this, like a smiling lion. Now with a sketch pen I'll write lion. Now for the last, let's make the last stage, that is the decomposers, in which the bacteria or fungi in soil, when animals die, these bacteria or fungi decompose their body, which convert into nutrients, and these nutrients help plants to grow. So the chain continues like this. See, what I'm doing is I'm just applying Fevicol all over this place, and I have taken some dirt over spoon, and I'm not going to use my bare hands. I'm going to sprinkle the dirt with the spoon. So like this. See, it will automatically stick on the Fevistick or the Fevicol. So now kids, let's combine our food chain together. As you can see, what I have done is I have decorated my front page and have written food chain over it. What I have done is I have put glue in the center part of the food chain of both the circles and pasted them together, and I have put in one button on each side. See, one button here, so that it looks nice and it sticks the food chain together.